All right, we're going to start CAD 3. As you can see, I'm starting to get a little collection here. All right, now, see this at the top? You can do it by list of name, or you can do it by pictures. So we'll go to File, we'll start a new one. And once again, it's regular, it's not metric, so we'll create. And we'll start our 2D sketch. Now, pick that front face again. I'm going to start in the middle of this thing with that hole that's right in the center of it. It's number 3, positioning stop. Okay? So start with a circle. And it doesn't matter what the size is. We got a couple more circles over here and over here. And then I'll just sketch this. Whoop. Helps if you hit line. There we go. I'll just sketch this. Now I'm going to use my trim command, which if you've had AutoCAD training at all, you know how that works. Okay. So there's our basic shape. Now, see that? If you go too fast when you're going a line, sometimes it'll do that. So just erase it. And pop that in. All right, so we'll go ahead and get our overall dimensions first. So this dimension is 4. This dimension is 2.5. All right. The sides are 1.75. So I'm going to grab this side, 1.75. Do the same thing with this one. And then this part in the middle here is 1.25. All right, so we want to center that. So what's the best way to do it? Well, the whole thing's 4. All right, so 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 minus 2.25 is 2.75. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go dimension. I'm going to go from this line to this. Now, I'm going to type this in. 2.75 is my whole thing, right? But I only need half of that, so I'm going to put the slash to divide by 2. Ta-da, okay? Gives me my dimension that I need. All right, so from here to here, center point of this is going to be 1.25. So that's got everything centered. And this is a diameter of 1.25. All right, now we'll go ahead and get these. These are 0.75 away from the side. And 0.75 away from the bottom. And that is 0.5 diameter, as is this one. And it's going to do the same thing, 0.75 and 0.75. Okay. Now, this one it's not all dark on me, right? So it's not totally constrained. So what we can do on that, if we want to constrain it completely, which is not totally necessary, some people like for you to do it and some don't. You got all these constraints up here, okay? This one right here. Let me hover my mouse over it, see if it'll. There we go. Automatic dimension constraints. Applies missing dimension constraints to, so we'll click that. All right. And we'll hit apply over here. It says 1 dimension required. All right. So we will apply. And it's going to put that one in there. Okay. So what that's doing is that's centering this. Okay. So let me remove that. Now I'll hit done. So what it wants me to do is it wants me to put a dimension here. Okay? So that's what we'll do. And we want that to be 2. And that centers everything up. Okay? So that's how you can figure out, it's like, well, dang, what am I forgetting? Because it'll tell you down here if it's fully constrained or not. Okay? And you want your drawings to be fully constrained most of the time. All right? That just makes life easier. And we'll hit finish on that. And now we're ready to Once again, hit the home button. And this one is going to be 0.25, I believe. So we will extrude it. And like I said, you can just enter it right here, 0.25. Okay? So that little box comes up. You can also enter it here, either or. And you got advanced properties you can apply and create new extensions and all this. And it's just fun stuff. You can even give the body a name. So let's call this what it is. We'll call it position right, and we'll hit OK. And say we got solid body, and if we open that, positioning stop. Okay, and that's extrusion number 1. All right, so now you've got a name for your part. All right, so we've got that done. We'll take care of that. Save it, of course, and that'll be CAD 3. And then we'll export it. Export, PDF, also CAD 3. And that's what you'll turn into the classroom. So we'll save that, and then that is CAD 3, and I'll see you for CAD 4 next.